and today we are gonna make our first app on our channel. So to make our apps we need code.org. So I hope you have heard this website code.org. Here we can make many things as there is a sprite lab, artist lab, game lab, dance party and many things. But today we are gonna use app lab to make apps. And the first app which we are gonna make is a very useful app, and that app is on everyone's phone, which is a calculator. So I will show. So here is the calculator which we are gonna make. So if I say 5 and 6 and then add them, it's 11. If I subtract them, it will be -1. And if I multiply them, it will be 30. And if I divide them, it will be a long answer. So let's see. So here in the code.org projects, we will go in the app lab. And here in the design tab, here we have 3 tabs: code, design and data. Here I will say design. Change the background color. You can change as you want. I will make it a bit grey type of thing. Okay. This one is good. Here I will first add a label which will tell what is this app about. So I'll say calculator, and then I'll edit its font, text color. In the text color, I'll click on this square, make it black. In the font family, I'll make it as times. In the font size, I will increase it. I'll attach or make it as above as I can. So here, this is a nice thing. Here we can give a background also, or a kind of border color. I can give it as black. You can see. Okay. You can change this like this and all. We will make it as this much only, and the calculator is okay. Now I will add some text input where I will input my numbers. I will add 2. I will place this as like this. Here you can change them also like this and then like this, which I made like this. Here I'll delete this. I'll delete this also, and I will add these straight one because that will make my app look good. And here I will add placeholders. What are the placeholders? So I'll just show you what are placeholders. So here, if I go there, you can see it is written search Google or type URL. If I click on it, the text vanishes. So the same thing we are gonna do over here. And that search Google was a placeholder. And here I will type the placeholder as first number. Okay, it was the second number. Okay, done. And just make the placeholder in the center, text alignment center. The changes I will be doing for the placeholder will apply to the text which will be entering in the text inputs. So here, instead of text, I will write here no input 1, and the second one will be 2, and here no input 2. In the second one also I will add a placeholder. I'll say second number. Increase the font if you want. Here I will say center. Okay, and the text which we will be adding should not be gray. I want it black, pure black. The same I will do over here. Okay. So now, where will my answer come? So my answer will come in a label only. I will make the label as big as I can, because the division answers are lengthy. So here I will change the text to 0. There will be no text here, and I will make it as result underscore LBL. The calculator I will be making at label 1. Instead of that I will make calc underscore LBL. So here, after selecting this, I will give it a border. I will be making it border width I will be increasing to this much. Okay, now this is looking good. This one is just for the understanding that where should we place the buttons, and after I place all the buttons I will remove that. I will add 4 buttons, one for multiplication, one for division, and one for subtraction, and one for addition. So I have placed all the buttons roughly. Now for this I will remove the border. Here I will be making it a bit like this. Here I will be making it as add underscore btn, and the text I will be making is just a plus sign. So I am hardly able to see the plus sign, so I will just increase its size. And the second one I will make it as subtract underscore btn. The text will be the same this, and I will check the size of this one only and add it, make it the same over here, because this same should look that these are good. So it was 26 over there. I will attach, I will make it as good as I can. Here in the button 3 I will make it as multiply underscore btn, and here in the multiply I will just make my text ax. So the x is not looking as a multiplication sign, so here I will just increase its size first, and here you can see it's clearly visible as an x. So I'll just change every sign's font, which is comic, which will make it look very nice. Comic, and here also comic. Here also it will be comic, and the same for the division button. So division we can't make this sign, so I'll just say divide. First I'll make the ID. You will think, why am I making the IDs? We use IDs for the code, and the IDs are used for the code. So I will just make the text as dash colon dash. Dash colon dash is making it look a bit like, and make it as comic. Increase its size. Okay, now it's looking good. Now I'll go to the code. Now finally we are moving to the code. So here we will first do is that on event I will add 4 on events, because there are 4 buttons and 4 functions which we will be doing: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So on event add btn, click, what should happen? So the result text box should, not text box but the result text area should get the answer, means addition of first text input and the second text input. So for that I will say set text of result label to math. In math I am doing for the add button now. So add get number, again get number from the text number 1 input, and number 2 input. So now if I show you the text code, this we are doing now is JavaScript. Yeah, we are doing JavaScript right now. So if you can't believe, you can only see we are doing JavaScript over here. I'll delete these 3 events and duplicate these only. Control Z, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Here if I go to show blocks, I've done the half code over here. And here I will make it as subtract button. Here I will make it as multiply button. And here I will be making it as divide button. Here the result label should be same, but now here I have to do not only addition for all, I have to do subtraction here, I have to do multiplication here, and I have to do division. So I have in the maths I have these, but I can't add it so easily. I have to first remove this whole code and then add. So instead of doing that, I'll go to show text. Here in the second one, which is the subtract btn, I will make it as dash, means which is the subtract thing. Here in the multiply, by shift 8, I will be making the multiplication sign, and here I will be making the division sign. In the coding language, we have a slash as division sign. So I'll say show blocks, and here done with our code. So let's preview our project. So here if I say add 5 and the second number I want it as 6, and the answer is 11. If I subtract, the answer is -1. If I multiply, the answer is 30, and if I divide, the answer is... So here you can see the result text box. I don't like the text color is not so good. I want the font also a bit, which will show a numeric kind of thing. So I will make it as courier, and as usual my favorite, center. Alignment should be in center. Again I will run it. Say 10 and 20. So here if I add, we all know the answer will be 30. Here you can see it's showing in a very nice way. If I minus 10. If I multiply 200 and divide 0.5. So this was our today's tutorial. If you want more like this tutorials, do subscribe our channel. If you like today's video, do like it, and do like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye.